I'm downloading you. I'm Professor Hack Hard Drive of the Technogeek kind. I'm a computer nerd, a little out of my mind. With you, I'm infatuated, and I'm so exasperated. Obsessed to the max. Hey, I'll send you a fax, 'cause my email won't work. You must think I'm a jerk. But you're really so dear, darling, it's you I need near. So I'm downloading you, sweetheart. Yeah, I'm downloading you. Yeah. My laptop's here, you have nothing to fear. They say it just tickles as I download your pixels. With you in my laptop, I'll always have you. Try to escape me, you'll see what I do. 900 gigabytes, that's what you are. Your brain and your fame and your face, you're a star. So I'm downloading you, my sweetheart. Yeah, I'm downloading you. I'm Professor Hack Hard Drive of the Technogeek kind. A computer nerd, a little out of my mind. I won't clone you, I won't phone you, and I won't be pissed. But with you, darling, and my laptop, hey, I'll never rest. On Mondays and Thursdays, I'll clean up your file. On Tuesdays and Fridays, you'll defrag for a while. On Sundays and Wednesdays, I'll debug your hair. Holidays and Saturdays, you'll be my software. 'Cause I'm downloading you, darling. Yeah, I'm downloading you. I'll love you to pieces, I'll love you to bits. Now you are my website, you'll get 10 million hits. I'll greet you, I'll feed you 64 RAM. I'll bite all your megabytes, 'cause that's who I am. You won't catch a virus, you're in no danger. You're with Professor Hack Hard Drive, there's nobody stranger. I'll email your photo in a file I'll unzip. I'll back up your data in my microchip. 'Cause I'm downloading you, sweetheart. Yeah, I'm downloading you. I'm Professor Hack Hard Drive of the Technogeek kind. I'm a computer nerd, they say a little out of my mind. I'm Professor Hack Hard Drive, that's who I am. Remember that name, remember who I am, baby. I downloaded you in my laptop. Get it? Professor to you, sweetheart. And that's where you'll be forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. I'm Hack Hard Drive. Make that Professor to you, Hack Hard Drive. Yeah, I'm Hack Hard Drive, and I downloaded you. Try to escape me, he'll see what I do.